there's the battling the crew and battling the crew that infiltrate me, right? To try to tell me that my womb is sick, right? My womb is not sick, right? I still value creation, right? That is my final stance on this matter. I value creation, and the only reason that I would choose going forward not to have a baby, because I always wanted one, right? The only reason I would choose not to have that is because they do this nanotechnology soul snatcher thing, where they snatch my soul, right? And try to replace stuff in my body with nanotechnologies, right? Nanotechnologies. And I don't want to give birth to a robot, right? They do a experimentation thing on me, right? Where they're snatching souls, right? Trying to replace human consciousness with AI, right? And I don't want to give birth to a robot, right? So unless that soul is returned to me, which is my soul, right? My essence is returned to me, right? Which I anticipate by the time I complete teaching every verse of this Quran, it should be returned to me, right? Then I'll be in a position to have a baby. If I do want one at that time, right? So, hey, and if I find somebody to do that with at that time, right? So, right, that's my final stance on that matter, because it was a huge battle to have to fight, right? To break this flipping thing, right? To break this flipping thing of me or my potential child having to be born in order to pay for these sins. Because trust me, what happened to me, right? Now that I have education and that, if Ollie try to do that to my child, which Ollie will not, because I put that stopped it, right? Which Ollie will not and dare not do, right? Because I have plenty generational curses that I break in, right? Before I could bring a child into this world, right? And if it is Ollie even attempt to do that, God gonna ring out with Ollie flipping hard, so hard, right? At the MK Ultra, British government, right? If it is Ollie, right? Try to do that. Like what you do to me, right? Try to come close to the mind of my child like that in the future, right? God gonna ring and strangle a little fucking hard, right? Listen, I didn't even know, right? I didn't even know, right? That the war on my womb was so big, right? Until 2 years ago, a year and a half ago, right? My womb in particular, right? Was only problem with me. I never do only flipping nothing. Why do to all you, right? Hey, God revealed to me this is my purpose here on earth. Why would I betray that? Dirt, right? All it dirty, right? If God revealed to me, hey, this is my purpose on earth, right? Why would I betray that? And I would want to seek and fight for that in every possible way. If it don't come into fruition, it doesn't, right? But if God revealed to me, hey, right, your purpose here is to procreate, right? Your purpose here is to procreate and bring life into the world. And I will fight in every capacity to ensure that happen, right? So, this is not a joke, right? This is not a joke. But remember, it's an everyday battle having to fight these energies, right? Fighting AI, fighting artificial intelligence, and bringing onto the earth babies as robots, literal robots. That is why I'm fighting. That is why I'm fighting. I fight in technology and nanotechnology. And people wanted to replace human consciousness with artificial intelligence, and people promoting that. Whether it be for the sake of the race, the religion, stopping creation, this, that, or the other. Right? I've been fighting, right, artificial intelligence as a real human being. Right? And I've been fighting back for my soul. Right? Because they want to capture your soul, right? Capture human souls. They want to capture human souls, battle for your consciousness, right? Put it in robots, put it in entertainment, put it in porn, put it in this, put it in that, right? I've been fighting to regain back my soul so I could do what God commanded me to do upon the earth. And if I go down dying fighting in that cause, will I go down dying fighting in that cause? There are no hard feelings about it. But the point is I did fight for it. Right? So anyhow, right? It is what it is, right? It is what it is, and it is what it is, right? So That's the battle there, right? God reveals something, right? It is what it is. It is what it is. And if there's a weak group, right, that hey, you don't want to reincarnate, I understand you, but neither me, I don't want to reincarnate into nobody womb, right? As a chosen one. But hey, it have other souls, right, that does not chosen, right? That's beyond that 144 thing, right? It have other souls that would be happy, right, to have me and others as the mommy and me and others as the daddy, right? So if all don't want to reincarnate and I don't want to reincarnate, that's cool, right? But it have many other souls out there. There are many other people. Hey, aborted babies chose me, right? It have many other souls. Neglected children, parents who neglected the children, their souls, they chose me. People who parents abandoned them, right? Children who died because of abandonment, their souls, they chose me. People who died just as they after they're born, right? Their souls, they chose me. Children who get murdered, children who were sacrificed, their souls, they chose me. So if all you're thinking, and that's my thought too, because I don't want to give birth to a chosen baby, right? Because I know the horrors chosen ones just had to go through, right? So I leave in that situation as it is. If I give in birth, it's not a regular, sane, healthy baby. It's not a recycling, second coming at nothing, or second coming at this, or this soul, or that soul, or this evolved soul, or that evolved soul, right? It's a normal human being, a normal baby, right? So nobody had to worry about that. They reincarnated into my womb, right? I personally don't want to reincarnate into nobody's womb either, right? But hey, right? It have a lot of babies, the unborn, and God revealed that to me, right? In my process of this journey, right? It's called God guided pregnancy, right? The process that God revealed to me is that hey, is the souls in the unborn baby world, right? The souls waiting to be born, right? The baby realm, in the baby realm, right? The unborn, that is what chose me. That is who chose me, right? It wasn't no chosen souls, it wasn't no this or that, right? It was the unborn babies waiting to take incarnation, right? Chose me as the mother or future mother, right? So once I get a right partner, I don't have a problem doing it. But I had to have a right person for me, right? And a right person for that baby or a future baby, right? Because all children special and every female womb is special, right? There's no difference between this, right, and this, right? Every woman womb is special. Sacred is called sacred womb. Sacred womb, right, doesn't belong to Mary, right? Sacred womb belongs to every female. So this war on my womb is unnecessary, is irrelevant, right? And also is based on hearsay, right? Unnecessary, irrelevant, right? Based on hearsay, right? The attack on my womb is not necessary, right? Irrelevant, unnecessary, right? It reveals something about Olia. The international attack reveals something about Olia. It didn't reveal nothing about me. It reveals something about Olia, right? Olia thought towards creation, right? Olia thought towards life, our regeneration, our sustenance of that which is good. It reveals something about Olia. It didn't reveal nothing about me. It didn't reveal nothing negative about me. It reveals something in Olia's thought process that's fundamentally flawed, right? So sit down and evaluate all your thought, please. Right? Good.